So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of objects right here, and based on the colors that I've used right here, let's say, for example, let me just select this color. You can see that the color palettes keep on getting added. I can go ahead right here and the color palettes are added. But let's say I want to add a certain color palette on my own. In that case, I can go ahead and utilize this tool right here. And let's say, for example, select out a color from this particular image. Go ahead right here and click, and that particular color is added. You can go ahead on to the color picker tool, and let's say, for example, click on this, that color is added right here. And now what you can do is you can go ahead and select these color palettes right here. If I were to go around over here onto, let's say, for example, this option, you can see that I can go ahead and, let's say, for example, go to palette as well. So let's just go around over here. And then as I were to actually go ahead, you can see the palette right here. So you can go ahead and then add from the document or add from the selection as well. So add from the document right here. And then these are the color palettes that it detected. You can go around and press OK, and that gets added to the palette. You can also add from the selection as well, just like this. So you got a particular selection, you don't see it in the palette, then you can go ahead and add in those palettes as well. So you can see that this is what you have. You can also have it in, let's say, for example, 2 rows, have the palettes over here show up right there just like this, and then around over here, let's say, for example, show 3 rows of colors right here just like this as well, to see more colors on the right hand side. So that is what you have. You can also show the color names, as you can see right here. So different views, you can scroll to start right here just like this as well. And apart from that, you can scroll to the end as well. So you can go ahead and just see the colors or see the name of the colors as well. So you can go ahead, add from document, add from selection, as you can see, and manage out the palettes right here. So you can simply go ahead, set around the outline color right here just like this, set around different things, like let's say, for example, if I were to go around, set around the fill color, then the selected option will set out the color right here. So let's just go around, set the fill color right here and so forth, and then the selected color will be applied right here just like this as well from this option as well. So you can also go ahead right here and edit out a particular color. Let's say, for example, edit this out, then you can go ahead and change the color as you like just like this from the color palettes, or edit out the color right here just like this and choose whatever you like just like this, or choose manually, and then that color will be edited, press OK, and that will be added in. So that is what you have as well. So you can also see that you can delete out a particular color. So you don't want this color, you can go ahead and delete it out, and that particular color will be deleted from the palette. And that is how you can go ahead and manage out color palette inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.